Welcome, in front of me I have a Google Pixel 5 and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on the smartphone. So at the first, let's prepare a good source of light. As you can see here I get the dust and some fingerprints and we have to remove them. So right now let's open the box with tempered glass, and there it is. Unfortunately it's not dedicated for that model, but it fits good. I mean, the size is also almost the same, but yeah, there is the cutout for notch. It's for Samsung Galaxy A40, but it will be still protected. I cannot find the dedicated protector for that model, so I'm going to apply this one. But the installation process looks the same. Don't mind about that. Next, on the inside we can find the wet and the dry wipe. We are going to open the wet at the first, and unfortunately it's not wet. It comes dry. So I'm going to use the window cleaner and apply it a little bit on that wet. I mean on that wipe. Okay, and right now we have to make moves like that and the circle. Okay, and as you can see right now it looks definitely better. Let's open the dry one. And just do the same. Okay, be sure that you don't have here any piece of the dust or something like that. And let's smoothly move to tempered glass. We have to remove this sticker just like that. Sometimes this sticker doesn't follow with that foil, so we have to remove that foil manually. You have to put your fingernail underneath, like that, and remove it. Next, let's keep holding the bottom part. Okay, I think that it fits good for the edges, but let's turn on the screen. Oh, I have to move it a little bit to the left. And I think that right now it's fine. So let's put it just like that. Okay, let's turn off the screen and take a look. That right now when we press with our finger anywhere, it will go automatically. And to remove it, just swipe to one of the edge. This air bubble or to the corner. As you can see, there it is. Okay, so as you can see right now everything is fine, and when we turn on our screen, there is no any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid. When you put tempered glass on the Google Pixel 5 display, everything will work fine. As you can see, that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.